Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight to various domains. The topic of today's session is Understanding Hadoop 2.0 Architecture. Our guest speaker today is Tejas Saravana, Hadoop SME at Edureka. Tejas is a trainer and developer on Hadoop ecosystem and Java and J2EE technologies. He has 18 plus years of experience and has developed many web-based projects using J2EE. He's currently working with Edureka as a consultant. Tejas is also associated with Levin Software, a product development company at Bangalore. He's currently working on distributed data mining in sensor networks and managing project on event processing in sensor streams. Tejas is also involved in free tracking system by using OpenGTS. OpenGTS is the first available open source project designed specifically to provide web-based GPS tracking services for a fleet of vehicles. He's also involved in building team on Apache Hadoop. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Tejas.
Thank you, Mohini, for the introduction. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining in this 1 hour time. It's a little constrained by time, but nevertheless, we'll be talking about the big data problem. We'll look at how does the Hadoop ecosystem comes to the rescue. What are the various components in the Hadoop 1.0 architecture? We'll look at their limitations, and then we will talk about the newly introduced the Hadoop 2.0 architecture. We'll see how does Hadoop 2.0 architecture overcome all the challenges in the Hadoop 1 architecture. We'll have a small quiz at the end if the time permits to reinforce your learning of this session. Now, if you have to ask questions and the class recording, everything will be available. We are live available on Twitter right now, so you can anything which you tweet with #AskEdureka, we'll be answering that. You can follow us on Twitter at Twitter handle edureka.in, and like us on Facebook as well. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's look at what is this big data problem is. Okay, so over a period of say last 10 odd years, the challenges started coming because of the size